कपड़ा को क्या करना बोला कपड़ा
अच्छे से वेरी नाइस वन वेरी नाइस
Oh, who has joined him?
नीतू
Neetu has joined him. Ourselves, we take out time for everybody else. Your joining in early shows your commitment to yourself and to your transformation. Wonderful. So, how many of you understand that the woman will take out time for the whole world? Yes, but when it comes to taking out time for our own selves, it is not very simple, right? It takes a lot of effort and time. I know that once you all are here, you must have done a lot of arrangements around it, and that is why you are here today. It says a lot about you and your commitment, and I am so amazed to have you all here. Lovely, lovely. All right. Before we begin, I am redirecting all the chats to me so that you don't get disturbed. Please keep putting up your queries. Keep putting up a lot of energy in your chat because even if you are not able to see each other's chat, I can see it. I can see everything, and my team is also sitting here to take up your queries and answer whatever doubts you have. So please keep putting up your queries in the chat box. Now I can see people are still joining in. Lovely. I really like the energy in this room. To set the context, can we just understand what is the one-word intention you are being given? मतलब हमारे यहाँ रहने का आज का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट वजह क्या है? In one word. Just keep putting up your one-word intention in the chat, everyone. Come on. Come on, keep going. You can really put it in the chat. When I started this journey, I was looking for a solution from many things. But I realized that there is this one thing that I really wanted. I wanted to be really happy and joyful. I wanted to be super beautiful and confident with glowing skin. Right? Yeah, Neetu, I saw your response. Now you just give me your one-word intention. Come on, keep going. So somebody is saying double chin, jowls, bulky face, swelling, crow's feet, droopy lips. Your intention for being here, turkey neck, glowing skin, confidence, dark circle, puffy eyes. Lovely, lovely. Keep going, girls, keep going. Wrinkles. All right, becoming a coach. Amazing. Lovely. Pigmentation, glowing skin, anti-aging, droopy eyes, open pores, to be radiant and positive. Lovely. Amazing, girls. Keep going, girls. Keep going. Thank you so much for sharing and thank you so much for being so honest in the chat, girls. Wow, what energy. I am just loving the energy of this room. While others are joining in, please give me from where we are getting connected from. Let me start. I am sitting in the comfort of my home studio in Mumbai area. So just give me in the chat, where are you all getting connected from? Yes, girls. Ruth is from Mumbai, very good. We have got somebody from Chennai, Nasik, Kolkata, Dehradun, Bangalore, Navi Mumbai, Aurangabad, Mohali, Noida, Gurgaon, Hyderabad, Pune, Bhubaneswar, Assam, Ahmedabad, Salem, Mysore, Nagpur, Sri Lanka, Trivandrum, Singapore, Norway, Canada, Michigan. Wow, that's great. Indore, Surat. Okay, lovely, lovely girls. We are all beautiful, gorgeous women, are all from different parts of the world. Right? Sitting here in this room, our safe space, and the energy here is so high. Amazing. I can really feel the energy. I'm really super happy to start this session. Please understand that today, once you're all sitting here, connecting with me from different parts of the world, be super sure that you're going to get amazing value for the time you spend here. Right? Lovely. So on this vibrant note, I will start sharing my screen and let's see what we are sitting here for today. Okay. So, alright, so a lot of you joined before time. You might have been seeing the screen for a very, very long time. Okay, so what does this screen say? It says reset, reboost, rediscover your beautiful self holistically. And the purpose and aim of this platform, LEYH, Lara's Ever Youthful Hub, is about rediscovering, resetting, and rebooting your beautiful self holistically, the natural way. Before we begin, today there is so much information floating around. Rather, we are flooded with so much information, we end up feeling we know everything. Due to this, sometimes we are not able to absorb the right kind of information and we lose out on things which are important. So today, while we are sitting here with me, I want you to take off that crown of yours that I know everything. This will help you absorb the right information. Yes? Alright. Right. So please be here with me completely for another 1.5 hours. That's what I want. So that you get full value and worth for your time. I will be able to share with you a lot of that I have learned from my wide experience. Okay? So let's begin. So today, what are we going to know? Just a minute, girls. Just a minute, there's a slight problem. Can you see me? Okay. Can you see me? All of you can see me now? So today, what we are going to know. Thank you, everyone. Today, what we are going to know. We are going to know about 3 powerful, precious gems. Gem number 1. How to look and feel 10 to 15 years younger, and that holistically, the natural. Now, how many of you think this is amazing? Whatever you're going to know today is going to blow your mind up. I see a lot of wow, amazing, wonderful. Keep going, girls. I see wonderful in the chat box. Now, for today's second gem. The second gem is how to save yourself from irreversible damage. Sometimes, in the hope of doing something better, we are ending up getting into an irreversible trap. I want all of you to be able to see that trap and protect or save yourself from that damage. This information is so valuable and amazing that it can help you save yourself from irreversible damage. Now let us look at gem number 3. We are going to look at LEYH age-defying transformational blueprint. Now, the first and second learning is going to change your perspective when you think about beauty, aging, all these things. It will already give you so much of confidence and peace so that you can make informed choices, right? But still, if you are someone who is looking out for handholding or support, we have a beautiful system in place where so many women who are transforming their lives and they are feeling accomplished and grateful each and every day for the support that LEYH is extending to them. So these are the 3 things we are going to learn today in this masterclass. So girls, are you ready? Now, to get the best out of this session, I need only one commitment from you. From all of you, to be here for the next 90 minutes. Now, how many of you feel really committed? I'm truly committed, I'm choosing that to bring about your transformation. I'm I'm going to be here for the next 90 minutes and I want you all to type in the chat box 90, confirming your presence in the for 90 minutes at least. So please type 90 in the chat box. All right, I can see a lot of 90 in the chat box. Come on girls, keep going, keep going. I can see a lot of 90s. Now, if someone of you feel I really want to stay, but I have something very important to do and I have to leave in the next 10 to 15 minutes, then I suggest you can leave right now because you will not be able to absorb anything in this session. You can leave now and come back later when you are relaxed. I promise you, you will get the same value, same learning each and every time. But I cannot promise the same offer. Why I am saying this? Please understand. The masterclass has a flow, a structure. And if you are going to be here only for 30 minutes, 15 minutes or 40 minutes, some information will come only after 30 minutes. Some will come only after an hour. And you will not get the complete solution to your issues. Amazing. I can already see a lot of 90. Great, great. So I can see your huge commitment in the chat box now, and I can already feel the great energy in this. Amazing. Now, many of you may already be doing your own business, or somebody might be working in the corporate world, or you could even be a homemaker by choice. But you must be thinking, I am sitting here and I am committed, but I am not sure whether I can make up a solution in this session. Then I want to take you quickly to this list. If you are someone who is a working professional and you are looking on to something that you can add on to your current schedule, you are so busy from morning to evening, you don't have time to take care of yourself, but you want to look good. So you can devote your weekends for looking better because you get recordings of this session. Now, if you are someone, maybe you are a housemaker and you are doing this by choice. You have got children at home, so you don't have much time at home. So you can join from your home and still do this session. Now, you might be a new mother and you must be suffering from post-delivery pigmentation and black patches and maybe looking for a solution from this right from home because you don't have much time. So this is a solution for you too. You might be an influencer. Maybe you have got your own YouTube channel, or maybe you are an Instagram influencer. So you have to look good. So this is a place where you can work on your transformation. You might be suffering from early aging in today's modern lifestyle. Less sleep, too much of screen time, no proper food and nutrition. So this is going to affect and cause premature aging. For you too, this is a place where you can get a solution. You may be suffering from premature aging due to perimenopause or menopause. In this place, you can find a solution for this also. You might be seeing signs early in aging due to your weight loss journey. You must have lost lots of weight on your body, but your face is also affected. So this is also a place where you can find a solution for yourself. You might be an aspiring star player or a social person constantly under meta gaze. So you have to always look good. So this is a place where you can work on your personality on your face. You might be a person who keeps on posting on social media, on Facebook, on Instagram. So here too, you can work on yourself so that you look good. Now, the first step of here is that you have to work on your facial transformation. And the facial transformation has got the power to alter your life. Till now, are you all with me? Please give me yes in the chat box. Please give me lots of yes in the chat box. Yes, yes, I can see a lot of yes. Amazing. Please go ahead. Now, before we begin, you must be wondering that I don't even know this person. Why is she talking to me? And how, in what way can she help? So let me share with you my journey. I am an MBA from Mumbai University, and I had an exacting career in the corporate world, mostly in the engineering industry. Life was hectic and fun in Bombay. I got to travel across India and also many parts of the world due to my work. It was fun. This was my life in Mumbai. It was good, but it was very, very difficult. Traveling in Mumbai locals and the true roads of Mumbai took so much time. It left me drained, with no time for my family, friends, or also for any hobbies. So I shifted to the IT sector in Pune and also started my side business or hustle. Pune was good, the weather was awesome. I liked Pune, I liked my job, and I also was doing a side business, so money was good. But suddenly, I had a major accident, and I was bedridden for 6 months. I could not walk, I could not turn, and it was a nightmare for me. So this was a very bad phase in my life. I never knew whether I would walk again. I was having a full-time nurse to take care of me, tried to give me bath. I used to wear a catheter at home, and slowly I was like literally giving up on my life. But from a fresh young person, I slowly started aging suddenly. I started looking haggard. I lost all my charm. I lost so much of hair. I developed dark under eyes, sagging body, sunken eyes. I put on so much weight. Droopy cheeks, turkey neck, dull skin, droopy lips, joggles. My jaws literally dropped down. I got frown lines. Life was really very, very bad. And then to top it all, there was a lockdown. Life spiraled down even more. I lost all hope. And the worst thing is I got into self-pity and felt helpless. I started feeling sorry for myself. ये मेरे साथ ही क्यों हुआ? So this was my condition. I was shattered physically, mentally, and also financially because I was not working. Throughout life, I had my own money. I could not pay the EMI of the flat which I had. So mentally, I was so depressed. Physically, I was already down. A very bad phase. But then one day, something clicked. I told myself, I stopped the blame game. I took responsibility for my life. I stopped feeling sorry for myself. I decided to take charge of my life. I took full responsibility for myself and what I am. And thus this change of mind got me into action. I was physically down, I was financially down, I was emotionally down. Slowly I started building on that. I started doing a lot of research on how to get better. But the natural way, the holistic way. In the process, I did many advanced courses and learned so many new things. I realized that Though I was educated, I was an MBA, I knew nothing about my own body, my hormones, my emotions, human behavior. I knew nothing about my breath and my mind. I did an extensive course on yoga from Yoga Vidyadham Nasik. I started learning from the scratch on a subject, my body, which is the only thing that stays with me from birth till death. I started working on my body and also on my nutrition. I joined the gym. I started working on my breathing. I started working on my face. I started working on my mind. I took charge and took full accountability of my life. And then I saw the miracle happen. I transformed. I saw complete transformation in me, not only in my face, but also in my body. And I started looking at least 10 years younger. All come naturally, the holistic. From being a broken, bedridden individual for 6 months to trekking 18,000 feet above sea level in the Himalayas. That was me. Financial transformation. From depending on other people for money, today I'm independent and make my own money. So that was a great thing. It gave me so much of energy that I was earning my own keep. This gave birth to a new me, and I saw a radical personality shift. I became once again the fun-loving, cheerful, fresh, confident, smart, friendly, young person. I became well-dressed and with glowing skin. I became a go-getter full of life, with infinite energy and charm. So this is my life story for you, my friends. So I don't wish that this should happen to anybody. The shift that happened in my life was so massive. I wanted each and every woman to not lose hope and experience the same kind of magic in their life. And with this in mind, Lara's Ever Youthful Hub was born 2 years back. This is a holistic anti-aging platform where we try to change people's life. Today we take corporate sessions, one-to-one life coaching sessions, holistic anti-aging sessions, face yoga sessions, and group life coaching sessions. So I had a tough journey, my friends. So you all must be thinking that I have worked on myself, I created a change in my personality. You must be thinking that I must be having lots of support at home, or maybe I had financial support, or maybe my people at home were supporting me physically, emotionally. Let me tell you, it has not been easy. My journey from a bedridden, defeated person to a confident go-getter, ready to take on the world, has not at all been easy. It has been very, very tough. But I believe if I can do it, so can you. And today I want you to take that first step. Because the first step is the toughest step. I faced lots of challenges. It has not been easy, like I told you. Physical challenges. Like I told you, I could not walk. I forgot how to walk. I had to go through physiotherapy sessions to learn how to walk again. Emotional challenges, because I got slowly into a self-pity crying mode, which was actually very bad. Financial challenges, because I didn't have money to pay my home loans and EMIs. I was getting reminder and reminder from the bank, and I had to take help from my husband, which I did not like. I started developing lots of aging signs. I lost my self-esteem in the process. I lost all the ego that I had. I just lost everything. I became zero. I had all the time in the world, but I still had time constraint because I could not move. I could not do anything. I became, even though I was staying in a house with lots of people, I became so lonely. I had people around me, but still I was lonely because nobody could understand. Nobody could understand what I was going through. And there was such a big communication gap. One day I realized that I'm getting into depression and anxiety. So my journey has not been easy, my friends. So don't feel that I had all the support at home. So with this in mind, like I told you, I created Lara's Ever Youthful Hub, where I need to create a safe space where women facing midlife crisis can rebuild their persona to emerge more confident, strong and empowered by realizing their true worth and potential. This is my vision, LEYH vision, you can say. Because I know how it is, and I don't want any woman to lose her power ever. I want her to be fully charged, emotionally, physically, mentally, financially, in all ways possible. Now, LEYH is having 4 pillars or values. The number 1 pillar is transformation. All of you must have heard about metamorphosis, where a caterpillar becomes a butterfly. So today it is your turn to transform from a caterpillar to a butterfly. This transformation is not only physical, it is emotional, financial, and also of beauty. I want all of you follow the second principle, which is vitality till eternity. I want all of you, irrespective of age, profession, region or lifestyle, have a fully charged life. Third thing I want for all of us is growth, because a happy, healthy, confident, go-getter woman can face the world better and create her own financial growth too. And of course, the fourth one, a happy, healthy, confident woman is the backbone of any family. The whole family looks up to you. If you are happy, the family is happy. You set the mood of the family. So my 4 pillars and values are very clear. LEYH core values: transformation, vitality till eternity, growth, and family. Now, I think your values or your beliefs you should be at least clicking with one of these things, either by transformation, vitality, growth, or family. I'm very sure about it. If you feel that none of this matches your requirement, then you are open to leave the room, because you will not find much value here otherwise. How many of you would love to be part of this journey? A part of this journey of transformation? Because I am sure if I can do it, you can do it too. Now, I think we'll have to disconnect because 40 minutes are over. Can we connect again? So we'll disconnect and connect again. Yes, everybody. I'm just unmuting all of you all, or can you unmute all of yourself? Why don't you all unmute? Please unmute. Please unmute.
Hi Lalita, very good, excellent. We will
No, I want you all because 40 minutes are getting over.
yeah,
to join
we
again.
will join. Abhi I think 4
So till
minutes.
now, how was it?
Very excellent, too good,
Why don't you all
beyond words. Huh. Very good, lot of hard work and it shows.
Thank you. So I think can I send you the link again so that we can connect?
Yeah, on the same link.
Girls, we'll try on the same link. Otherwise, I'll have to send a new link.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye, girls. We'll reconnect again.
अनम्यूट का परमिशन दे दो अंजलि को, सबको दे दो ना.
हम लोग अनम्यूट ही नहीं हो रहे.
वो परमिशन नहीं है.
नहीं है. 1 मिनट मैंने दिया सबको. Now, thanks for joining. So please rejoin. I'll send the link or you can use the same.
Definitely. Lalita,
Yeah,
in the 40 minutes, 20 minutes are only laughing and then 20 minutes crying. What a present.
It was so tragic about it.
I'll see you. चलो.
चलो
Yeah,
मिलते
yeah.
हैं मिलते हैं मिलते हैं मिलते हैं. आ जाओ.
Speaking, you turn your face. That time, sound is increasing.
This side.
No, front side. You're using side. Sound will low.
Okay, but you all mute yourself.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, can see me now? Okay. So I shared with you my journey in life and the transformation that I brought along. So friends, you all know that it has not been very easy for me. And till I took the first step, it was very tough for me. But it is the first step which is very important. You take the first step, everything else happens automatically. Please understand, छोटी सी लाइफ है, हम सोचते रह जाते हैं और लाइफ निकल जाती है. जो भी करना है कर लो, क्योंकि बाद में रह जाता है, नहीं होता है फिर काम. तो करना है कुछ तो just jump into it and start doing. So how many of you all feel that this journey has been wonderful and you would be like to be part of this journey? Please type me in the chat box. Me in the chat box. So I can see lots of me in the chat box. Keep going, girls, keep going. I should say something that once you're all sitting here and listening to me and my story, you've already taken the first step. So a big clap for all of you all for taking the first step in your journey. Now I can see some of you all are asking कि ma'am why don't you do the session in Hindi? Hindi में क्यों नहीं करती? The thing is that my English is not. It's a very simple English that I use. Secondly, many of my clients are from India and from the south of India, and also they are also from abroad. So I generally take it in English, but don't worry, it's very simple English and everybody can understand. Even if you don't understand English, you will understand what I say. So with me, all of you all, give me a big thumbs up. Great. So let's proceed further. I want all of you to say one thing. Just keep your hand on your chest and say, I can do it.
I can do it.
Whatever challenges you are facing in your life, just say,
I
I can do it.
I can do it.
And you will do it.
I can.
So with that, let us proceed further, girls. So now you all must be wondering that, does it really work? Does all this thing what we do on the face, does it really work? Can we holistically change our face? So for this, I want to give you some proof of concept, some real life examples. So you can look at Ananya Pandey. She endorses face yoga and breathing techniques for having a youthful, glowing skin. And you can see her, how beautiful she looks at 26 years of age. So you may be 26 years or you may be 20-year-old and you must be thinking, ये सब मुझे क्यों करना है? मैं तो इतनी young हूँ. लेकिन friends, you'll be surprised to know that aging starts even at 20 years of age. So that's the reason Ananya Pandey started doing face yoga at this young age. You may be somebody like Malaika Arora, who is 51 years of age. And she also openly endorses face yoga and holistic anti-aging. And you know how beautiful she looks at 51 years? She really deserves a clap. Now, there are other celebrities also who endorse face yoga. Alia Bhatt, who is 32 years. Meghan Markle, who is 44 years. Giselle Bundchen, who is a top model at 45 years. Kate Moss at 51 years, Gwyneth Paltrow at 52 years, Jennifer Aniston of the Friends fame at 56 years, and Madonna at 66 years. She still looks so young and beautiful, thanks to face yoga. So, there are so many proofs alive along this world that it really works. And I believe if I transform, if I can do it, you can do it too. So you may be someone like Amira who is 20 years old. She has good skin, but she's got dull face and full of acne marks. So with face yoga, she's able to reduce her dark circle. She's able to get glowing skin. Her acne marks have reduced and she looks so fresh and good now, just by working with us on her face. Look at Harshada. Like Harshada, you might be around 30 years of age. Harshada got lots of pigmentation during childbirth. Her skin became very dull and exhausted because she never got enough sleep, never got enough rest, and she was also a working woman. So her skin became very dull and pigmented and she started developing signs of aging. Working with us in a holistic way, along with face yoga, she did a breathing pranayam and she started working with us. And you can see the pigmentation is already gone. Her skin is glowing. She's looking so much younger and fresh. Don't you think so? Maybe someone like Lakshmi, who is 41 years old. Lakshmi had lots of tanning and pigmentation on her face. She used to look very dull and lack of glow in the skin. She had black patches, puffy face and under eye darkness. Today, after working with us for 3 months, she's having very even toned skin, a contoured face, reduction in under eye black circles, and the pigmentation is almost gone. Isn't that wonderful, girls? I think that deserves a good clap. Now let us look at Sutapa. You might be like Sutapa, somebody who's in her 40s. Sutapa is 48 years old and she's got skin tanned and oily due to years of neglect. She never took care of her skin, like all of us do that. So she had very droopy neck, she had crow's feet, she had dull, dark face and under darkness. Now, working with us for the past 3 months, she has a very firm and toned face. Her skin literally shines and it is so bright and nice. Her under eye darkness is almost gone. she looks 4 to 5 years younger. Isn't that amazing? Look at Pavitra. You might be like her. Pavitra is 51 years of age. She was suffering from thyroid and hormonal issues, and her face was fully bloated and swollen. She had flabby neck, frown lines, puffy face, under-eye darkness. Working with us, her neck flab has reduced. She has reduced her frown lines. Her face is now better contoured. There's reduction in under-eye darkness, and she looks almost 8 to 10 years younger, friends. Amazing, isn't it? How many of you all feel really empowered by seeing all this? Put me in the chat box. M-E, me. Now, let us look at Kalpana. Kalpana is 55 years old. She was suffering from years of skin neglect. She never had time for her looking after herself. She had skin darkening, wrinkles and frown lines. And today, after working with us, her neck and face are toned and tightened, reduced frown lines, contoured and bright face, reduction in under-eye darkness, and she looks almost 8 to 10 years younger. That's really amazing, friends. And now this is Maushmi. She is 66 years age, and she had lots of hormonal issues. She had thinning of facial skin because of age. Skin became very papery and thin. Degeneration of facial muscles. She had flabby neck, frown lines, puffy face, under-eye sags. But working with us, her neck is now firmed and toned. Her forehead is smooth. She has bright, radiant, smooth skin, under-eye toning, and looks 8 to 10 years younger. Amazing, amazing transformation for Maushmi girls. Now, I believe in manifestation. I believe all of y'all are here because the right thing, the right time, and the right person, everything clicks. That is the reason today y'all are all sitting here, because that is your destiny to traverse your own transformation. That is the reason y'all are sitting here. So the method that we follow is the holistic anti-aging. It's a 100% proven method. It's a fail-proof method. It's effective across all ages. It's completely natural and holistic. It is practiced and endorsed by many celebrities. The only thing it needs from your side is commitment and dedication. So, how many of y'all are ready for this journey? Please give me in the chat box. Please give lots of me in the chat box. I can see lots of me in the chat box. Come on, girls, keep going, keep going. Now, the structure that we have, it is not random that we get up and start doing a workout or something like that. We have got a complete structured workout structure. We start with the upper body workout, which is very planned. We work on the upper body because sometimes along with the face, the body also gets very droopy and flabby. So we work on the upper body. Then we go for conditioning, where we condition our mind to transform. Because without the help of the mind, the body cannot transform. Then we go in for facial exercises, facial massages, and we end with calming and anti-aging breathing and mindful practice. Please understand, your breath and mind condition is very important in this whole process. It is not just some kind of physical activity. This is a complete holistic anti-aging method where even the breath and your mindfulness practice are very important. All the sessions are targeted and focused. One day we target, let's say, the jaw, next we target the cheeks. So it's all targeted and focused sessions every day. Every day we have got new sessions. We got weekly planned schedules which are shared to you at the beginning of the week itself, so that you can plan your travel accordingly. The purpose of this masterclass is make you understand the aging process, help remove the myths and beliefs that you have about aging. I want you to understand with this masterclass how facial aging can be countered with holistic anti-aging practices. And I want this masterclass to help you take informed decisions. Because you will get lots of knowledge in this session, you can take a proper call on what action you should take to get and look better and feel better. With that, let's start. Because I always feel knowledge is not power. Right knowledge is power. Incomplete and improper knowledge is not power. So how many of you all are there with me and believe that right knowledge is power? Put ME in the chat box, girls. Put ME. Come on, girls, I see a lot of ME in the box. Come on, keep going. Now, every session of ours is completely engrossing, well planned and designed, targeting specific area so that participants get maximum benefit. So these are pictures of some sessions which are going on. So as you can see, it's very planned and structured. It is not some random thing which we are doing. Because at LEYH, we don't believe in transforming just faces. We believe in transforming life. So this is me, Lalita Ramesh, the founder of LEYH, and today I invite you to this platform. With that, let us proceed further. Let's dive deeper. We were looking at gem number 1, how to look and feel 10 to 15 years younger. So, how many of you want to know how to look 10 to 15 years younger? How many of you all want to really understand how we can look younger without using makeup or going for any kind of chemical treatment? All this in a holistic manner. Put ME in the chat box, girls, or give me a thumbs up. How many of you all want to really know and go ahead with this? So, the first thing what you'll understand today is face yoga magic. What can happen with face yoga? What transformation you can create with face yoga? The second thing what you will know is what is the anti-aging secret hidden in our breath. And the third thing what you will understand today is the secret or the elixir of youth hidden in our DNA, in our genetics. So let's proceed. So let us first understand what causes aging. Before we know how to counter aging, we should understand what causes aging. So, some of the factors which cause aging are photoaging, which is exposure to sunlight. When you are exposed to the sunlight, automatically your skin start getting aged. This is called as photoaging. You can also age due to less hydration because you don't drink enough water. Friends, I think you should all drink water regularly, and with this you can counter hydration problems. Third is nutrition deficiency. Now you can set this right by eating the right kind of food. So you can set aside a photo aging, which you can set right using a proper sunscreen, not only while going out but at home also. You can set right less hydration by drinking lots of water and other liquids. You can set aside your nutrition deficiency by eating the right kind of foods and minerals and vitamins. But there are other things which cannot be set aside externally. You need help on that. This is where face yoga works magic. That is on toxins, collagen depletion and muscle mass erosion. So we will focus on all these 3 points. So let us begin with muscle mass erosion. As per Barbara O'Neill, who is an Australian naturopath, muscle don't know age. They don't know your age. They don't know whether you're 70 or you're 17. They only know the effort you put into making them strong. You work on them, they become strong and powerful. So, believe me, the muscles don't know your age. If you put in effort, you will get the result. Now, to work on your face, you should first understand the structure of the face. You'll be surprised to know that the face, the small area, is having more than 60 muscles. The image shows the muscle network on her face. These 60 muscles, they are so small and they are so all connected to each other. And when the muscles start losing strength, they start sagging, and that causes the whole face to droop down. If the muscles are not toned and strengthened, they get overpowered by gravity. You know, like how gravity pulls everything down, it pulls all your face also down, it pulls your whole body down, and you start looking aged. So all these 60 muscles need lots of working upon, and of course they can be set right with face yoga. Now, when we start getting aged, what we do? We see signs of aging. Like I also did this. When I started looking old, my skin started drooping. What I did was, I went about buying the best cosmetics in the world. Lots of creams, lots of things which had vitamin C or something which had some serums. I was spending lots of money and trying to look better. Yes, and I did get result. I did get result for some time. But after some time, the results stopped. And I was wondering why this was happening. But believe me, if you see the next slide, you will understand. Along with the creams which you are using are very good because they are made by multinationals, big companies which do lots of research and spend lots of money on research and development of these creams. And the cream really do work. But the problem is not with the skin. The creams have their own limitations. These potions have their own limitation because they can work only on the 20%, which is your skin. They don't work on your muscles, and muscles form 60% of your face. And you're working on your 20%, you get result for your 20%, after which you don't get result because the creams and lotions, they have their limitations. So once the creams start working, what you do is that you try everything, you spend more and more money, and then you get very exhausted. You spend so much money, you're putting so much effort, but there is no further improvement in your face. And finally you give up. You accept aging as a natural process and you've got no option, you just give up. But I can tell you, you don't have to give up. Because as per Harvard Health Publishing School, we can stop and reverse muscle aging. If we start working on it, we can stop muscle aging. Now friend, isn't that exciting? You can work on your face and start reversing muscle aging. How does it happen? Because along with your skin, imagine if you start working on your muscle, which forms 60%. So totally you will be working on 80% of your face, and that is going to start giving you tremendous result. So isn't that exciting, girls? If you start working on 80% of your face, you're going to get tremendous result. And when you start working on your muscles, how do you work on the muscles? That is by exercising them using face yoga. So, if you have frown lines, if you have profiles, if you have droopy eyes, sunken eyes, under eye darkness, droopy cheeks, droopy lips, jowls, saggy neck, double chin, facial fat, droopy face, you need to focus on facial muscle strengthening. Cream will show their limited effect, but what you really want to focus on is facial muscle strengthening. So, you can really transform your face by working on your facial muscles and doing face yoga. Isn't that great, girls? I'm really excited. Give me E in the chat box. I can see lots of E in the chat box, girls. Come on, keep giving E in the chat box. With face yoga, you can reverse the aging process. If you can see from these figures how these girls have reversed their aging process working with us. So super exciting. Now this is a message which I received from Chandini, who's from Punjab. She says that I am from Punjab and always had lovely skin. But suddenly I found my face aging. It was sudden. I wore beautiful clothes and tried to wear more and more makeup to cover up my sagging face. People started calling me auntie. I was hurt. I almost cried. I was really desperate when I joined your sessions, but today I am very happy. My skin is glowing. The exercise and massages and the pranayamas have been so effective. I feel so young and beautiful again. So, Chandani could transform our face with face yoga, and I'm sure we all can do it if we start working on our muscles. Now, the second place where we should target is collagen depletion. Now, what is collagen? Collagen is the glue that holds our body together. It is a kind of protein which is most abundant in our body. It gives strength and elasticity to the skin and gives proper structure and support to our muscle, tendons and bones and blood vessels. It is the one which gives you that nice chubby, rubbery kind of feeling on your face. So, collagen, why you need collagen in your body? Because it improves your skin elasticity and hydration. It supports healthy joint. It promotes gut health. It aids bone density. It helps muscle mass production. It also supports healthy hair. Now, you know our body produces its own collagen. We produce our own collagen. But after the age of 20, slowly the production of collagen starts going down. By the time we are 40 years old, it has gone down by almost 30%. By the time we are 50 years old, it's gone down to almost 50%. So when the collagen gets depleted, automatically the nice chubby feel that is on our face goes down. Now, what is the importance of collagen? Because we should first understand how important is collagen. 99% of our eyes are formed of collagen. 75% of skin, 90% of bone, 90% of cartilage, 85% of tendons are formed of collagen. Now, depletion of collagen causes lots of problems in our body, not only our skin. It starts showing at a very early age in the form of joint pains, dry eyes, dry skins, etc. I'm sure when I was suffering from dry skin and dry eyes when I was young, I never realized it is because of loss of collagen. So as I told you, collagen in our body reduces by 1 to 2% per year after 30 years of age. We can set it right by collagen supplements, by improving our diet and also by exercise. But the best way to set it right is by stimulation using specific massages. Girls, are you all there? Please give me yes in the chat box. Yes, girls, are you there? Ruth, give me a hi. Ruth, please give me hi. Wave your hand out. Rachna, hi, and Neetu, hi. So I hope you are still there. So when we do the specific massages on our face, we are rekindling the natural collagen production. We are promoting collagen production. We cannot just massage however you want. When you do the proper massage under proper guidance, you end up rekindling natural production of collagen in our face. So if you have frown lines, crow's feet, droopy eyes, sunken eyes, droopy cheeks, wrinkled face, droopy face, pigmentation, joint pain, early aging, dry eyes, open pores, saggy skins, you need to focus on stimulating new collagen production. This will happen when we use collagen supplements and also when we do right massages to activate the collagen production. Now this is Kalpana. Let's see what Kalpana is saying. So what she is saying is that, hello Lalita ma'am, in my attempt to look good, I have tried everything and I joined you as a last measure. Believe me, today after 3 months, I am so happy with the change in my face. My skin is more smooth, firm and supple. I feel a kind of glow which was never there before. Friends tease me saying that I have fallen in love again. Thank you once again from the bottom of my heart, LEH now is a part of my life. Thank you. The third part what we should focus on is detoxification. In the process of our daily life, our body is doing a lots of processing. It is doing digestion. It is digesting our food. It's carrying out lots of bodily function, which produces lots of toxins in our body. These toxins are getting removed from our body by the form of stools when we defecate, in the form of urine, in the form of when we sweat by expiration from our skin. We also, when we breathe out, we release a lot of toxins from our body. You'll be surprised to know that a perfectly healthy body is fully capable of detoxifying itself. It doesn't need any help. But in today's world, our body is not perfectly healthy. Today's modern lifestyle, eating junk food, sleeping late, inadequate sleep, stress, drinking less water, that is dehydration, limited physical activity, you always sit in front of a computer or with your mobile, sedentary lifestyle, hormonal imbalance and improper breathing. We don't even breathe properly. We don't exhale properly and empty our lungs properly. So all this causes toxin to accumulate in our body, and this is causing accumulation of lots of toxins in our body. This needs to be detoxified. Our body needs to be detoxified regularly. So how do we do that? By eating nutritious food rich in fibers, drinking lots of water, practicing pranayama and meditation to reduce stress, practice yoga or any other kind of physical activities, focus on powerful breathing. This is very important because we need to breathe in properly and to breathe out properly. Here let us do a small exercise. It is just a 2-second exercise. What I want all of you to do is just relax and sit down nicely. Close your eyes and we'll take deep breath in from our nose and breathe out from our mouth. We'll do this 5 times. Just close your eyes, take your position and let's start. Breathe in, take a deep breath, breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, and for the last time, take a deep breath in and breathe out through your mouth. Now slowly open your eyes and feel the calm, the peace that you feel. I'm sure you're feeling more relaxed and more calm with just 5 deep breaths. So imagine if you focus on breathing, how powerful it is. Imagine the change it can cause in your life. So how many of you all really felt powerful after taking just 5 breaths? Just put lots of me in the chat box. Show me your thumb, show me your hands up so that I know that you really felt a change in your, by just changing your breathing 5 breaths. Very good guys. Now, we can also detox our body in addition to powerful breathing by working on hormonal balance. And one more way to detox our body is by improving lymphatic drainage. Now, lymphatic drainage is where face yoga works magic. It can really work magic to remove all the toxin accumulated in our body due to lymphatic liquid accumulation. In every system, every session that we carry out, we focus on breathing and detoxification. We work on proper lymphatic drainage and correcting in hormonal imbalance. When we do this daily, This helps bring back the glow to our face and reduce puffiness and swelling on our face. So, lymphatic drainage is very important. If you understood, just put LD, lymphatic drainage, in the chat box. Girls, come on, put LD in the chat box. I can see one LD here. I can see LD. Okay, I can see lots of LD. Can you also give me a thumbs up? So, lymphatic drainage is very important, and you need to actually manually drain out the lymphatic liquid if you have puffy face, if you've got pigmentation, if you've got acne, you've got early aging, you've got swollen eyes, you've got hormonal issues, you've got migraines and headaches, sinus related issues, sleeplessness, indigestion, low immunity. So this can be caused due to improper lymphatic drainage, and this can be set aside or made proper by proper lymphatic massages. So I can share what Farzana, one of my clients, is saying. When I joined you, I was very skeptical and not sure. But today, after being with you, I have found visible changes in my face. It is more lifted and firm. I have lost my puffiness and swelling, and I look much better. Also, surprisingly, my persistent headaches have stopped. Bloating up my face is reduced, and I feel more relaxed. Thank you, Lalita ma'am. I only wish I had met you earlier. I would have not gone through so much suffering. Thank you, and please continue your good work, ma'am. So as you can see, lymphatic drainage not only works on the face, but it also helps in lots of issues like migraines, headaches, bloating, body pain, and so many other things. I think girls will have to disconnect again because again we are reaching 40 minutes. So will you all reconnect again? Yeah? Can I disconnect?
ललिता अभी थोड़ा सा ब्रेक लेना पड़ेगा. इट्स मेड हैज कम फॉर डिनर.
Okay. What about you, Ruth? Anjali, is she there?
Yeah, I'm okay. We can finish up how much more time?
Maybe one more session, that's all.
40 minutes more. We can do
But
it.
till now, how was it going?
Very nice,
Good,
but very great
Very
and
professional.
very professional. Yes, but we have to do
Professionally
it.
done.
We have to. Yeah, I would like to attend, but not right now.
Neetu is already left, kya?
Yeah, it's actually lamba.
Neetu left?
So,
Okay, so what should we do?
do we do it tomorrow?
I don't mind. If you all are free, I can do it anytime.
We will do it. We'll
Can you
finish it
go
off.
on
We'll
giving a
finish it.
feedback out till now how it has been.
It
Anjali, what